Hello, Rick Billings here. Hey, I want to talk about residual income. Now, many of you have heard about residual income, but do you really understand residual income? Residual income's, doing the efforts one time and getting paid over and over and over. For an example, if you get a customer online that buys a product from you and they pay you a referral fee or a commission for doing that, and every time that person purchases that product again, you get residual income. So you did the efforts one time, okay? And you might talk to those people again, obviously, and then you get paid over and over and over. Now let's introduce residual income. Let's introduce leverage into the equation. What is leverage residual income? Well, leverage residual income is when you start to build a team of people that do the same thing. So you build a team, you coach them, you teach them, you mentor them to do the same thing. Now, you're going to build a team and not everybody's going to do it, right? They just don't have the passion. They don't have the wherewithal. They're not an entrepreneur, to be honest with you. They just are not an entrepreneur. They rather have a 9-to-5 job and rely on somebody else. And that's okay. That's okay. You don't need a lot of people to make a lot of money. But leverage residual income, when you build a big team, it's like a realtor, a broker that takes and has an office, and he hires all these realtors. It happens in so many different ways of life, okay? A hospital, for an example, that brings all these doctors together, and they have doctors' offices within the hospital, right? A lot of these new hospitals, most hospitals are like that. That hospital's creating residual income. They're getting a percentage of all the charges those doctors make to make that facility and pay for that facility. It happens in every part of our lives. We just don't really dissect it and understand it, okay? And are open to learning or look at it. But in today's online economy, we can all create residual income. We can all create leveraged residual income. And when you do that, it can last a lifetime. It can last a lifetime. And the power of that is amazing. I've got a website called exploreresidualincome.com, and if you're looking for residual income, you can visit that. But people say, well, you only make this amount of money, and a lot of people make very little in the beginning. And a lot of people, be honest with you, quit before that curve starts to go up. It's a shame. It's truly a shame. They quit. It's like that guy that's digging for diamonds, and he turns around and goes back, and he's this far from hitting a whole level of diamonds. Okay, it's sad to see that. Consistency, having the passion and desire to create residual income, if you never give up, and if you take action and you actually do the work it takes, you will make it. Trust me, you will make it. Okay? Now, yes, you're going to learn a lot of things. You might have a few setbacks and this and that, but how do you put a future value? How do you calculate future value and residual income? So you build residual income, and let's say it takes you 10 years to do it. 10 years. But now you're making 6 figures or multiple 6 figures the rest of your life. Yeah, the rest of your life. And you get to will it to your children and leave a true legacy. Okay? How do you calculate that value of getting paid and not working? This is the answer to so many people's retirement problems. It's so sad because a huge part, I don't have the percentage right off the bat, but a huge part of Americans don't have enough money to retire. Most of them don't have money if an emergency comes up. Okay? And that's sad. But building residual income, and yes, you can do it part-time, but building residual income can take and be your answer to retirement, to add to your retirement. Okay? And it's exciting because we're always meeting new people and we're helping people. We're helping other people. You know, Zig Ziglar's famous quote, if you help enough other people get what they want, you'll get what you want. So if you're interested in creating residual income, take a look at my site, exploreresidualincome.com, and go through there. Love to chat with you and help you create a lifelong stream of leveraged residual income. Thanks a lot and have a wonderful day.